torture you. Take my hand through the flame. I torture you. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up. I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for
Сәлем, Глеб.
Сәлем,
Қалайсың?
жақсымын, қалайсыз?
Біз де жақсымыз. Ағылшын тілінде сұрақ жауапқа дайынсың ба?
Иә, дайын.
Бәрекелді. Глеб, do you remember how was your English when you came to our school? I mean, your first time.
Yeah, I do remember. Actually, my English wasn't really good because when I came, my first level was elementary, and
What's your level today?
it is upper intermediate.
It's upper intermediate. Have you decided about your future profession?
Yes.
Who do you want to be?
I'm going to be a doctor because it was really to decide who I will be because my parents are doctors and I don't have any more way except being doctor, of course.
All right, very interesting. What do you think? What do you need to become an excellent doctor?
Of course, my first aim is studying well. If I want to go abroad and study abroad, because you know that studying abroad is much better than in Russia or Kazakhstan. So I need to continue learning English, so I have lots of time to continue.
Very good, Gleb. What do you think? Can you help us in the future if we need any health treatment?
Of course, you're welcome. When I will be a doctor, you're welcome. You can come to my clinic.
Thank you very much, Gleb. The next question. Can you recommend our lessons to your friends or relatives?
Of course, I can. Also, I can say that I realized that this school is much better than my school when I study every day, because the level of English, the English level of my teachers there is much better than in my school. At my school, because in order to work in a good company, you need to be well qualified. So I'm sure that my teachers are really good.
Gleb, thank you very much for your sincere answers.
You're welcome.
I torture you. Take my hand through the flame. I torture you. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up. I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain. I'm a sucker for pain. I got the squad tatted on me from my neck to my ankles. The pressure from the man got us all in rebellion. We gon' go to war, yeah, without failure. Do it for the fam, dog. 10 toes down, dog. Love and the loyalty, that's what we stand for. Alienated by society. All this pressure give me anxiety. Walk slow through the fire. Like who gon' try us? Feeling the world go against us, so we put the world on our shoulders. I torture you. Take my hand through the flame. I torture you. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up. I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain. I've
been at it with my homies, it don't matter, you don't know me. I've been rolling with my team, we the illest on the scene. I've been riding around the city with my squad. I've been riding around the city with my squad. We just posted getting crazy, living like this is so amazing. Hold up, take a step back when we roll up, cause I know what. We've been loyal, we've been fan, we the ones you're trusting. Won't hesitate to go straight to your head like a concussion. I know I've been busting, no discussion for my family. No hesitation, through my scope I see my enemy. Like what's up, hold up, we finna reload up. Yes, I reload up, I know what up, I know what up.
I torture you, take my hand through the flame. I torture you, I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up, I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain.
Devoted to destruction, a full dosage of detrimental dysfunction. I'm dying slow, but the devil trying to rush me. See, I'm a fool for pain. I'm a dummy, might cut my head off right after I slit my throat. Tongue kiss a shark, got jealous bitches up in the boat, eating peanut butter and jellyfishes on toast. And if I get stung, I get stoked, might choke like I chewed a chunk of charcoal. Naked in the North Pole, that's why my heart cold, full of sorrow. A lost soul and only
60 минут көлемінде болған жаттығу күні аяқталды. Бүгінде ет жеуге дайынмын.